Hey guys, Merry Christmas. Welcome back to another Vlogmas video where I am just taking you guys along on the Christmas season along with our family to some extent, and I'm doing lots of extra videos this month. I'm not doing a video every single day, but I'm doing a lot of extra videos. And here on my channel, I like to share how we balance work and life and everything in between and create balance that sticks for our family. And one major way we create balance that sticks is by meal planning. My husband is a crazy busy chef at a hotel, although he hasn't been as crazy busy as usual because of the pandemic, but he still works kind of crazy hours early in the morning or late at night. And so it's just really nice to have a meal plan. We have 3 daughters, ages 5, 3, and 3 months old. And so we're in a very busy season. And so it's really important that we have our meals planned out. I'm gonna take you guys through how I meal plan. I'm going to be using cookbooks today. Normally I look online, but I thought it would be fun to actually pull out my cookbook. So I'm gonna be looking at this Betty Crocker cookbook, which is very special to me because my mom has a very similar version of it, but it's a lot older and I used to love looking through it as a little girl. I have this Better Homes and Gardens cookbook, this Taste of Home cookbook, the Cook Once Eat All Week cookbook, which I won't be like planning a whole week from, but maybe a few recipes. And then this one I bought in college that I really love called Best Ever 400 Budget Recipes. So let's get started. So as far as meal planners go, I love to use this one that I created. I've been using it for a couple years. It does say it's a childcare provider meal planner, but I am no longer a childcare provider and I still love this. And I know a lot of moms who use this planner and love it. It's all printable, it's undated, so you can use it any time of the year. I'll have a link to it in the description, and it's just jam-packed full of stuff. I absolutely love it. But basically every month has an overview, and then there are weekly pages as well to break down your week. So I'm gonna take you guys through how I plan for the whole month and then how I plan weekly as well. I'm gonna be planning all of December. I know December's already started by the time this video goes up, but I did this at the end of November, right before Thanksgiving, so I could have all of December planned out. It just makes our lives so much easier. I hate meal planning, so I like doing it on a monthly basis, and then I just go through and do a quick weekly planning every week and then plan a grocery list and that kind of thing. And then I just keep this on a 3-ring binder clasp that has magnets on it. I will link to these below, and this just sits on the side of our fridge. And then I have pages in the back with like our favorite snacks, our go-to lunches, things that we should check every week, stuff like that, that all comes along with this planner. I use the watercolor version, but there's also a chalkboard version as well. Okay, so I always start with my monthly overview, and what I do is I just kind of go through and look through my planner and see, I look at the monthly overview of my planner and see if there's anything I need to add to this to like know of things going on, which now that we're, you know, in lockdown mode again, there really isn't a lot, but I already had written in here no school, so I knew what days like all of my daughters would be home. Now it's every day, but yeah, I'm just gonna write anything in for December. Like my husband's birthday is on the 9th. And then I'm just gonna write in the times my girls are most likely gonna be at my mom's for lunch. Okay, and then, so I have this split, as you can see, this is how it comes, where each week is split in half for each day. So what I do, and you can do this however you want, I write out our lunches for the top box and our suppers for the bottom box because we're home. And so I like to plan out what my girls will be eating for lunch. I just plan my own lunch on a weekly basis, but for them, I plan that out every day for the whole month. So I'm also gonna fill in, we almost always go to my parents' house Saturday night, so I'm gonna write in that as well. And then every Friday night is pizza night, so I'm just gonna write that. And then we really like to do theme days, so pretty much every Monday is breakfast for supper, so I'm just gonna write breakfast. And I like to plan my suppers first, so that way I can always have leftovers for lunch or plan that out later on. So what I'm gonna do now, Tuesdays, what I like to do is usually some kind of casserole or something that we can have left over on Thursday or repurpose in some way. And then Wednesday I'll do like a pasta or some other kind of like easy meal for Wednesday. So I'm gonna go through and plan that. So that's what I'm gonna use my cookbooks for. I have been trying to eat healthier and I really loved using this. either earlier this year or later last year. I don't remember. I got pregnant and I like couldn't eat anything healthy, so that's been hard, but I'm trying to lose the baby weight now, so I'm just gonna kind of look through and see if there's any recipes in here I might want to use. So the two recipes I'm gonna use this month are this confetti chicken casserole. We've tried this and I remember really liking it. It's got like bacon and chicken and corn and kale and like a bunch of really good stuff in it. And then the other one is this egg roll in a bowl, which we've also made and is really simple and easy and really healthy and delicious. So I wrote those in for Wednesdays because I don't remember them making a ton for a family of 4.5. So I'm gonna look for something a little bit heartier and bigger for Tuesday to also reuse for leftovers on Thursday. Another thing I'm gonna add for a Wednesday is this, where'd it go? Skillet beef tamale. This is in the Taste of Home cookbook and it's a 30-minute or less and it's like a lower calorie meal, so I think that'll be really good. And I went back to my staple, which I love, is just looking online. I have a hard time because I want to find like quick, easy things or casseroles. So I'm looking in here. I found this one called chicken and wild rice casserole, which sounded really good and relatively healthy. It also has butternut squash in it, which I thought would be great for this time of year. This unstuffed cabbage casserole I'm gonna put here. And then I'm gonna do a loaded cauliflower casserole, probably with like hamburgers without the bun on the side. We'll do broccoli chicken casserole. This is from Taste of Home. And then a chili tortilla bake. So I basically just like Google and look at the lists of different recipes that different sites have curated. I like being able to see the picture. I'm not really looking for a lot of pasta because I will eat too much of it. So we'll plan to have all those casseroles for leftovers on Thursday, and then we might make like something different for our daughters that day so they don't have to eat it twice. They might have just like chicken nuggets or pasta or something like that that's really easy to put together. So I just write leftover. And so I know for my husband's birthday we're gonna dine out, meaning we're gonna bring food in from a restaurant. So I only have one more supper on a Wednesday to plan for. And you know what, I'm just gonna write, we'll just do like quesadillas or something easy. And then Sundays, we usually do like buttered noodles or mac and cheese because our girls love that and it's just really easy. So I'll just alternate those. And we'll often just kind of wing it those days. My husband often will come up with an idea of something he wants to make, and so those I don't plan a lot because we often change our mind. Okay, so now for lunches, I like to just look back at old other months and kind of just copy lunches I did for those. They're mostly kid friendly, don't take a lot of prep, but I try to have like a vegetable, a fruit, some kind of protein source, and some kind of carb source. But I don't really write the details of all that. I just really do the entree for the monthly planning. So I'll write chicken nuggets for one day. Dip lunch, that's where we do like yogurt, pretzels, apples, peanut butter, like just a bunch of stuff that can dip. We'll do hot dogs one day with toast. And then we'll do like sandwiches on Thursday or Friday. So we'll do like a turkey sandwich here, waffle sandwich, tuna sandwich, and then I'll do like homemade Lunchables, which are just like crackers and cheese and meat. Okay, we'll do quesadillas this day, ravioli, meatballs with toast, We'll do peanut butter banana sushi. Let's see, what else? We'll do parfaits, grilled cheese. Well, there we have. We'll do grilled cheese and tomato soup. And then turkey roll-ups. And then I'll just look at my plans in the back for easy things. Let's see. We'll do pigs in a blanket. And then I'll just like repeat chicken nuggets, quesadillas, and dip lunch because it's their favorite. And then on the weekends we just kind of do, I just leave those blank. We don't really plan those. It's just like whatever's in the fridge or whatever they're wanting. Nothing too specific. I still have one day. Oh, that's Christmas, so we'll probably eat with my family that day. So that's the whole month. And now I come over to the weekly spread, and I split lunch in half because I plan my girls' lunch on top and then my lunch on the bottom. And then if I'm watching a little boy, he also has lunch here. And for breakfast, I pretty much do the exact same thing every week. So Monday is toast and yogurt. Tuesday is waffles and then some kind of fruit. Wednesday is bagels and some kind of fruit. Thursday is toast and eggs. Friday is French toast sticks and fruit. Saturday is homemade pancakes. And then Sunday we let the girls pick. And then for snacks, I kind of just do the same thing. I try to do pretty much the same thing every week. So Monday will be apples with peanut butter. Tuesday will be bananas and yogurt. And Wednesday will be goldfish with an orange. Let's see that week. Thursday they will be at my mom's, so that's at Nana's. And then Friday I let them pick. Saturday we're at my mom's. And then Sunday I let them pick as well. So that just leaves lunches and suppers that I have to plan. So I just take my plan for the week. So this is the week of November 30th through December 6th. I do it Monday through Sunday. It's just easier for me to see the weekend together. And so I sometimes will write the day here. Okay, so for our lunches, the kids are having chicken nuggets this day. Dip lunch. Hot dogs. Toast. They're at my mom's this day. And then PB&J. And then I leave those blank. And then for me, I just kind of plan what I'm having. I'll probably have a salad like every day, so I'm just gonna write salad. Sometimes if they have something kind of healthy, I will eat that, but I'm trying to lose weight, so salad it is. And then I will go in and just kind of fill in the fruits for these and the vegetables at the end. So I'll write in our suppers and then I'll do that. So breakfast for supper for this day. Chicken and wild rice. Casserole. Confetti chicken. Casserole. Leftovers and then pizza. This day we're at Nana's, and then we might be going to my husband's parents' house that night. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and I just fill in like the fruits and veggies so I know what to buy. So we'll probably do bananas with waffles. Oops, oh no, maybe not because we're having bananas later that day. So we'll have, let's see, maybe strawberries. And then I'll do strawberries this day. and then I'll throw in, so I just try to kind of spread them out. Let's see, we'll have apples with our dip lunch. Apples here. And then, let's see, oranges there, we'll do oranges, we'll do oranges here. We'll probably do blueberries. Okay, and then for veggies, we'll do carrots. Dip lunch, I like to do like sugar snap peas. Hot dogs, I'll do like corn. Oh, I need a fruit there too. I'll do bananas. And then we'll do peas. And then for suppers, I will sometimes go in and plan like a vegetable, and then we'll just give the girls kind of whatever fruit. Okay, so I have all of December planned. I have all of the whole week planned, very detailed for every meal. And then I just go through and I look at each day and I write out our grocery list. We do Aldi pickup right now, and then anything we can't get there, we typically pick up at Target when I'm in, or we'll do a pickup there. But that is my whole meal planning process from start to finish. I plan weekly on Wednesdays, but I do the whole month once a month. And that just really helps take a lot of the thought process off, because when I go to do the week, I just already know breakfasts and snacks, and I just have to fill in these, which I pretty much already did all the thinking. So then I just add in fruits and veggies and I'm done, and it doesn't take up very long. And the hardest part is the whole monthly thing, and I only have to do that 12 times a year, and I really enjoy that. So that is how I meal plan. Well guys, that is the entire process of how I meal plan on a monthly and weekly basis. I would love to know if you do anything differently or similar, what tools you use, if you use a planner, if you write it out, if you use your phone, what do you use? Or do you just kind of wing it and hope for the best? Leave what you do over on our community tab, find the thumbnail for this video, and you can comment there since YouTube has disabled the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a Merry Christmas. Check back soon for another video. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Christmas season. Bye guys.